Hello, today's topic?
At the office.
Hi. How was your weekend?
It was good, thanks. How about yours?
Not bad. Did you watch the game?
Yes, I did. It was exciting.
Who won?
Our team did. It was a close match.
That's great. Did you do anything else?
I went shopping on Saturday.
Did you buy anything interesting?
Yes, I bought a new dress and some shoes.
Nice. Where did you go shopping?
I went to the mall downtown.
I need to go there sometime.
You should. They have a lot of stores.
I'll definitely check it out.
So, how was your weekend?
It was pretty relaxing. I just stayed home.
That sounds nice too. Sometimes you need that.
Yeah, I needed some time to unwind.
Did you do anything fun at home?
I watched a movie and read a book.
What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy.
That's a funny movie. I've seen it before.
It always makes me laugh.
Me too. It's one of my favorites.
Mine too. Have you seen the sequels?
No, not yet. Are they good?
They're okay. The first one is the best.
I'll have to watch them sometime.
You should. They're worth watching.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Vocabulary.
Office. Team. Match. Shopping. Dress. Shoe. Mall. Store. Weekend. Relaxing. Home. Movie. Book. Comedy. Sequel. Hangover. Favorite. Unwind. Downtown. Game.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.